Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and I've been sent a prezzie, and it's a big old beast of a box, and oh look at that, look. Yeah, look at that, it's massive, so I'm going to try and get it in shot as best as I can, folks. So you'll have to bear with me as I try. Let's see whether I can quickly adjust the camera a bit and see whether we can get more of it in, because as you can see it's massive. So we'll go with that and see what we can have. So I'm going to get a knife for goodness. Let's move that out of the way for a moment because it's super big. So I'm just going to disappear and cut along there like that and have us a bit of an openage. So let's see how we can get this in shot, because it's a little bit all over the show, isn't it? Should we go with that? Yeah, try that. Yeah, try not to pull your phone back over, Cole. So let's get rid of the cable tie of goodness, like so. And he's pulled his phone back over immediately that he's done it. Look, there you go. Let's try that. And come through with that. So I'm going to have a look. Oh, it's something in a frame. So I'm going to lift that up and take the cardboard out of the way for a minute. Like that. Very well packaged, and I've got a feeling that this is from Sue Shapland. Just got the feeling. I could be wrong, but I'm deliberately opening this up face down. So I'm hazarding a guess that if it's from Sue, it's going to be a diamond art picture of some sorts. So I'll just make sure that I delicately open this as best as I can. Let's try and move my knife. Make sure we're still filming. Oh, she's brilliant. Oh, mate, that's made my day. It's the in-joke, folks. For a number of years when I belch, people have always called me Spider Pig because I belch apparently like the pig out of The Simpsons. And that is the absolute dogs, mate. Look at that. Let's just get the camera up so that you can see, people. Let's try and angle that a bit better. Look at that. Oh, that is brilliant. Sue, you are a star, darling. Homer Simpson and his good old sidekick, the Spider Pig, with my name on it and all. So that is going to take pride of place in the man cave. You think it won't? Ha! You wait till you next come in the hangout. Yeah, I love that. Oh, mate. Now I know why whenever I said to you, what are you up to on your bench, Sue? And you kept looking down. Nothing. I said, you're up to something. Nothing, she says. Now I know what it is. Sue, you are a darling. You are a superstar for that. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart, because that is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, love arts of goodness. Get hold of that. Thank you so much, Sue. I am now going to 3D print some picture frame mounts, and I'm going to put that somewhere where you'll see it. Bye bye for now.